Okay, this is paint can demo. I have 2 test tubes full of lighter fluid with approximately the same amount of lighter fluid in each. Let me get my monitor here. Okay, line them up. About the same amount of lighter fluid in each tube. Okay, one's going to be burned as a liquid and the other one's going to be burned as a gas. We're going to see the different reaction times, different rate of reaction. Okay, one test tube on the surface. This will be burned as a liquid. And I'm looking at the clock. Okay, it's burning right now. Only the surface of the liquid is actually burning. It's an exothermic reaction. It's giving off light and heat, and it's releasing smoke. And we're at about 25 seconds. It burns off right at about 25 to 30 seconds. Okay. Now what we need to do is flip it over. It's hot. Put the other test tube in. Same amount of lighter fluid. Same amount of lighter fluid going in. Top. Okay, the heat is turning the lighter fluid into a gas. In other words, the heat is making the lighter fluid evaporate. It's turning into a gas. And if we ignite that same amount of lighter fluid, it's going to burn as a gas instead of a liquid with much more exposure, much more surface area exposed. I'm just going to agitate it a little bit, shake it up, get it to spread around. Okay. And there's compression because we've got a tight lid on there with only a small hole in the side to ignite the gas. Okay, now it took about 25 seconds for that amount of lighter fluid to burn. And the reaction gave off some light and heat, but that was about it. Somewhat of a slow reaction. Now, we're going to ignite the lighter fluid as a gas. Watch your head. Here it goes. Science. And if I had a ribbon microphone, okay, that's hot right now, that's fine. You want to test that slowly. Lid is not too hot. Ceiling is slightly damaged. No worries. And that's the paint can demo. Okay, paint can demo. This is going to be a close-up, alright? So this might be a little bit better in slow motion. Still have about the same, roughly the same amounts of lighter fluid in each. One will be burned as a liquid, one as a gas. Liquid. Placing it on the bottom of the can upside down. There it burns. This might be a cool shot. Science! Ha ha ha, burn. Combustion reaction, of course, exothermic. And it's taking a while to finish its reaction. Okay, there it's done. It was probably about 25 to 30 seconds. Turning it over. Putting the lighter fluid in. Spread that all around in there. Lid goes on. Okay, lid's on nice and tight. And the liquid's being heated. It's turning into a gas, it's evaporating. Mixing it up a little bit. Let's see Steve Spengler do that. Alright. Make sure I want to put the lid back on top again. So I want the lid to blow off. And this should be a nice tight shot of this. Hole is right here. Let's do this again, close up now. go.